E kaunti nendo Homa Bay ni moko kuom jopiny mawuok e gweng' nendo ma Kachieng Bongo e kar chung' od bura ma Kasipul e kaunti Homa Bay koro bago ng'anyo mar tipo kaluwore kod rach mar apaya ma nendo ma Kachieng Bongo ka ochomo Kanyendo Gamba ma giyango nosebedo ka kelo achiedh nade malich mokalo Kanyendo e chendo geko mag wuoth ka gitwakore jofwambo giyango ni gisebedo kod achiedh nade weche geko mag ohala kendo jopuonjre kaachiel kod jopuonj madhi e sikunde mopogore opogore katiyo kod apaya nendo osebedo Kanyendo kalo e ngima matek ka joriemb apiko bende yango ni apikni magi kethore kinde ka kinde ka koro gidwaro mar mondo mi jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto kaachiel kod jatend kaunti Homa Bay owuog oko kendo ne ni koro oresogi.
Mimi ni mtu wa bodaboda. Natumia hii barabara kila siku, nateseka vibaya. Hata siwezi lipa pikipiki vizuri, pikipiki pia ni ya loan, inaribika kwa hii njia kila siku. Watoto wetu pia wanasoma huku ng'ambo, wanarudi huku kila siku. Wanateseka juu ya matope na maji. Anaingia shule akiwa mchafu. Hata mwalimu anaambia yeye rudi nyumbani ujivae vizuri ndio rudi juu ya matope. Tunaomba Boyd Were utusaidie kwa hii njia. Mr. President alikuja jana. Munaambia tu watu njia ya nje Karabok, Sikri, Leader Road, lakini hii njia pia mkumbuke hii barabara ni mbaya kabisa. Mr. President, utujali.
And in this place, this road we are complaining about is from a center called Bongo to Gamba. And we are seriously in problems. Yes. The government, we are requesting you, seriously, may you assist us. Yes. Can you construct this road? Because we are also just Kenyan citizens and we are paying taxes. So voting. In a special way, we are also voting. We have the votes, your votes. So please, may you help us construct this road so that we can have ease as the Kenyan citizens. Yeah. We really have challenges with the students, the learners going to school. We have the I-learners. They are very young. And if they are walking around going to school, they really feel it very difficult because there is water on along the road and they play in the waters, their lives are at risk. So we are requesting that the learners may be helped. If the road is made, then things will go well. The expectant mothers, they can't reach the hospitals. So we are requesting that in a special way, if the road is made, then things will be okay and they will reach the health facilities in a proper time. We also have, in case we have funerals, it is very difficult. The people carry the coffins on their heads because the vehicles, the hearse cannot reach the homes. So we are requesting that you assist us so that in the current days, things are digital.
We are in a dilemma state because everything is not working good for us. We are pleading with the government under the presidency, our Honorable William Samoei Ruto. Please make it quickly. Let everything be quickly so that we may get good access to this road. It is not somehow good, and whenever it rains, people will fail to reach. Even teachers. 10 of the teachers of the teaching staffs are coming from this side. So we can't access this road more easily.
Road to school has become impassable. So this one has created disturbances in us. We have really complained, and today you have got we are pleased that you have come to see for yourselves that it is really impossible.